Hey, what's up guys, we're back to some video, and today on take 2, I take 2 of this webcam. I'm using a laptop with a webcam. Because my phone has some problems, technical problems, and yeah. So I don't know why, it just can't take like 3 minutes and above. Anyway, I'm using a webcam. Why did I say take 2? Cause I take 1, the first take, 9 minutes plus. I'm not going to talk. Okay, I talk until 9 minutes plus the first take. And then you know what? They say something went wrong, please reconnect. I'm gonna talk for 9 minutes again. Let's hear me talk shit, which everybody do not like it. So anyway, I'm gonna go through very fast, and I should not go through very fast because I can't think of anything right now. So anyway, first topic, I have 2 topics. First topic, calendar. Why am I gonna talk about calendar? Cause calendar is awesome. They have dragon, monkey, rabbit, rooster. No, I'm not gonna talk about that. I'm gonna talk about my PSLE report book. So tomorrow, whenever you are watching this, I will tell you the date. 21st November 2014. I am going to collect my report book, and I hope that is 204 Express. I'm going to go Hougang Secondary School. No. And then I go NA. But anyway, so I'm excited, but I'm also curious. That makes absolutely no sense. I know. Okay, I'm excited, but you know, hopefully I do pretty well, and I don't do shit. No, but so that is the first topic. Second topic won't be so long, until 9 minutes. I'm pretty damn sure, because previous one I talked damn long. Okay, second topic, I'm gonna tell you about laptop and keyboard. What is keyboard? You know, I don't even know what to talk. Okay, you know laptop, right? They have like, you know, they have screen, they have keyboard, they have the whatever this is called, you know, behind, then you got like the square, then where you can touch it. That's called a mouse or something. Like something like a mouse, I just said it designed the shitting mouse. Look shit. Look like square, and then like 2 rectangle under it. You know what I mean. For you, I have no idea to know what they said. But anyway, have a keyboard, right? You know, a lot of people will use the keyboard. Maybe a lot, right? A lot. Not at least 80% of people will use the keyboard. For me and my bro, that's how I know whoever uses a keyboard for a laptop, we too like to, you know, there's like a keyboard in front, right? We like to make a second keyboard. Yep, this keyboard. My keyboard is currently a Black Widow. Whatever keyboard you are still series or something. Whatever keyboard there's here, I use Black Widow because Cyber's whole lent it to me, and he decided not to take back soon. Not decided, he didn't give me, okay? 2 different things. I said lend me. He decided not to take it now. So yeah, my this is actually quite awesome though. Let you see, I have it customized, and the keys that I'm gonna use is all green color. Here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the base color is all purple, which I like purple. And I'm gonna show you something very cool about this goddamn mouse. This the thingy. I don't know who would actually expected. Whoever is using Chrome, you know what I'm going to do. See this? You see this? I'm gonna take like a second to look. Then nice, eh? But you know what? I don't like it. You know why? Because when I'm playing, I can look like half of the, like, you know, the like half of the keyboard like that. That's it. So you know, when I play, right, I got like distracted by this thing. So I do not recommend you guys. I don't know if you all don't care about this lighting or whatever. You all can just shut it down. You can off it. You can actually customize whatever you want. Whatever you want to do the lighting of this keyboard. So that's what the Chrome does. But please do not make Chrome to like a lot of things in your Razer products. Like you already have, I know you have a Chrome Kraken 7.1, which is this one. This one I have the 7.1, the usual one. It's also from CyberSoul. Every single Razer stuff you see is also from CyberSoul, except one thing, that one, the blue color one. That one is my first one. So this is the normal one. I don't know whether Cypress have the Chrome one, but not make too much things Chrome. Some things, if you make it Chrome, it's not really nice. Just saying. So that's advice for you. So this would be it, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down what you want to see or whatever. I will try my best to go find whatever you want. So gaming commentary is thing, cause I don't know how to, you know, cause this laptop is quite laggy. I don't know why. I don't know how. But I just can't take too much gaming things. I scream. I should not probably not do that, cause you guys are wearing earpiece, headphones, or absolutely nothing, and you turn it very loud volume, and your parents come in and they say, "What the heck are you watching?" You say, "I'm watching some I Am Jimmy video," and then your mom say, "I watch him too." No lah, just kidding. What? So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I came back to life and make a video for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. See you guys later. Take care, everybody. Peace out.